what happened last week. We had 3-foot waves breaking over the seawall, came in and filled in behind the berm, and then the lowest point on the berm's over there. All the water came in. The lowest point back here is that side, right down there.
Yeah, the lakes are they're so high, and then they're saying another 11 inches for this summer.
Yeah.
So it found its way past that berm. That's saying something right there.
Yeah, right there.
You think that those waves could bust up the ice and make it this far?
I hope not.
So this might save you right here, the fact that the bay iced over.
Yeah.
You know, if it gets you through the night anyway.
Yeah.
And then the wind breaks. Yeah, I can put a system in that'll keep up with the water that comes in here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now this berm over here, I mean, if we added a little bit more to it, we could give you a little more breathing room there too, right? So when the water lays in here, there's no pump in here right now to get it back out.
No, that's the other problem.
I was just
right?
going to say, I see that being an issue. Possibly so, yes.
I think that's 20% sand.
Okay. Yeah, we'll see what you got going on over there. Yeah, we might end up having to put a pump on both sides of this berm, is what I'm thinking right now. This is... Okay, yeah, no problem.
The other thing is, none of the dams are way along.
Yeah, that's a problem.
Yeah.
Okay, now we can run those to the sump system. No problem. Yeah, I got a handle on it. I see what you got here, and
All right, let's go inside and we'll talk a little bit.
all right.
I've been out here all afternoon.
All right, I'm on the Lake St. Clair job. One of several jobs. But the goal here today is to do some machine work before there's absolutely nothing holding me up. What I mean by that, right now there's frost in the ground. I can drive on here. So I've been digging some sump holes. And I've been moving the dirt because by tomorrow I won't be able to. The basins are buoyant, so we're putting some cinder blocks and he can put that on the chamber if he wants. Yeah, once we get enough weight inside it, that's exactly what we're going to start doing. I'm going to start shoveling all this mud on top of it. Crazy how buoyant they are, huh? So anyway, we're setting the pump, the sump pump basin. We're setting that right now. Got Mr. Tom here wiring us up a plug. This is going to be 2 basins and it's going to be 2 pumps. leave it. Just we got a couple pump housings in there. We're putting some infrastructure in across the yard because it didn't have any. So we're just putting in our own. Got this opened up, 18 by 3 feet, 3 feet deep, 18 inches wide. I got this opened up in about 15 minutes. The digging's going pretty good. There's some old sandbags I'm digging up. That's from 30 years ago when the lake levels were high. There's a 30-year cycle here in Michigan. And I dug up a lot of concrete, a lot of those sandbags. Well, here's another sleeping giant for you. Beautiful, isn't it? Until the wind kicks up and there's 5-foot waves going over the seawall just filling this yard. Well, we're putting in some infrastructure to handle that much water. Beautiful. If you live on Lake St. Clair and you need help, give us a call. We'll take care of it. All right, so we're building our own infrastructure with our own storm drains. And this is to fight off Lake St. Clair when it gets angry. Right now it's peaceful and tranquil, and you'd never know that this thing would cause the property damage that it does with our high water right now. When you got 4 or 5 footers coming in, the wind's blowing in the right direction, they crash over the seawall and just fill the yard, fill the house with water. We're going to take care of that. We're going to protect these people from this sleeping giant because there's a lot of folks that have been displaced from their homes over this. So one by one, we're helping them feel confident and secure enough to get back into their homes, recarpet the houses, do what they need to get it back and make it livable for the family again. I'm gonna obviously try to get this one in action for you guys. Stay tuned.